In this video, I'm going to show the proper way to replace a pane of glass in an old wooden window. First off, you get your glass, you set it in. Hopefully you've already got it cut to size. Then you're going to take your glazing points. That's what these little things are called. And you're going to push them in to the wood, run it right up against the glass, and push it into the wood to secure your glass in place. And the last one. Then you're going to take your glazing, which a lot of people get confused and they think that this is caulk that goes around here, but it's not. It's this stuff. Glazing, window glazing. You take it, just smush it up against the side. And if you're lucky enough to have one of these, this is the glazing tool, you just run it against the side. Or if not, if you do not have this tool, you can use your finger to smooth it out. And you're going to want to do that, of course, on all four sides. All right, stop.